Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen, or ECK for short. To help this channel grow, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out any new videos coming out. I have to admit, when I first saw the ingredients for this Mexican street corn pasta salad, I was kinda skeptic they'll go together. But I was wrong, so let's go. Here's what you'll need. Originally you'd use cotija cheese, but Parmesan works fine as well. Plus, I roasted my corn with salt and paprika, but you don't have to. First, boil your macaroni noodles and let it cool. In the meantime, start making the dressing. Combine the mayo, sour cream, lime juice, lime zest, salt and pepper, mix it really well, then set it aside. Now, add the cooled pasta to a bowl. To that, add the dressing you just made. Next, add your roasted corn, chopped cilantro, jalapeno, red onion, cheese, garlic, and some more seasoning. Mix really well, chill, and serve it. Yeah, this is all mine. I'm gonna keep it for myself, so you go make your own. Let me know in the comments below if you've made yours with Parmesan or cotija cheese, and how it turned out. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications, and share it with your friends. You can follow this channel on Instagram, but most importantly, bon appetit.